Hello friends, welcome to the session. I am Dr. Gayatri Saukade, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Education and Extension, School of Education, Savitribai Phule, Pune University. The session is based on the topic Inquiry Based Learning. Everyone goes through the process of inquiry from their birth to till they die, though we are not aware of it. Small child begins to understand their surrounding world by inquiring. Curiosity about the surrounding leads to ask different questions and try to get the answers. Inquiring starts with the gathering information and data through applying the 5 human senses: hearing, seeing, tasting, touching and smelling. Listen to this sentence. Tell me, I forgot. Show me, I remember. Involve me, I will understand. This sentence shows the essence of inquiry based learning. Involvement in learning implies possessing skills and attitudes that permit you to seek resolutions to questions and issues while you construct new knowledge. First of all, let us define what is inquiry. Inquiry is a dynamic process of being open to wonder and puzzlements and coming to know and understand the world. Few more definitions are: inquiry is an act of asking questions, the act of inquiring or seeking information by questioning. An inquiry is any process that has the aim of augmenting knowledge, resolving doubt or solving a problem. Inquiry implies direct involvement of student in the learning, which leads to understanding the concepts, and this implies possessing skills and attitudes that will be helpful in resolving the problems and construction of knowledge. Now, let us see what is inquiry based learning. Inquiry based learning is an approach that can easily accommodate project based learning, problem based learning, blended learning, place based learning, etc. Finally, we can say that inquiry based learning is a process where students are involved in their learning, they formulate questions, investigate widely and then build new understandings, meanings and knowledge. That knowledge is new to the student and may be used to answer a new question, to develop a solution or to support a position or point of view. The knowledge is usually presented to others and may result in some sort of action. Inquiry based learning is a form of active learning that starts by posing questions, problems or scenarios. Here the role of teacher is a facilitator rather than a lecturer. Inquiries will identify research issues and questions to develop knowledge or solutions. Inquiry based learning is related to development and practice of thinking and problem solving skills. Inquiry approach places the student in the role of an investigator, where students ask questions, they structure the procedure of investigations, they confront ambiguous findings and construct relationships and create metaphors. Inquiry based learning enhances abilities and skills in students, like inquiry enhances confidence in learners, inquiry stimulates and enhances critical thinking and logical thinking of students. Also, it fosters curiosity about the nature and the man-made world. It enhances creativity for resolving problems. There is a chance for collaborative and cooperative learning. Learners start reflective thinking. Then students have choice and voice in the inquiry, which is very important for the self-learning. Inquiry based learning enhances learning experiences and deep understanding about the content. Self-learning deepens as systematic and logical skills are sharpened. There are certain principles that govern inquiry based learning and can be summarized as: first principle is learners are in the center of the entire process. While instructor, resources and technology are adequately organized to support them. Second principle is all learning activities revolve around information processing skills. Then third principle is instructors facilitate the learning process but also seek to learn more about their students and the process of inquiry based learning. Last and fourth principle is emphasis should be placed on evaluating the development of information processing skills and conceptual understanding and not on the actual content of the field. There are 4 levels of inquiry. First is confirmation inquiry, second level is a structured inquiry, third level is a guided inquiry, and fourth level of inquiry is the open or true inquiry. Now, let us understand each level one by one. First is confirmation level of inquiry. The main objective of this inquiry is to confirm the results. In this inquiry, teacher gives a question and method or procedure which leads to the end result which is already known. Learner follow the directions. This enables learner to reinforce already established ideas, concepts, facts and confirmation of previous knowledge. In this level, students follow procedures, collect and record data which leads to practice of investigation skills. Simply we can say that in confirmation inquiry, there is reinforcement of previous knowledge of students. Second level of inquiry is structured inquiry. The goal of this inquiry is to provide an explanation that is already supported by the evidence gathered during and through the investigation procedure. In this type of inquiry, teacher gives learner a question and method or the procedure that leads to an unknown result. Learner follow the procedure or directions given by the teacher and find out the answer of the question or problem. Structured inquiry supports learner to follow procedures, collect and record data, formulate explanations, evaluate and analyze data. In structured inquiry, student follows set processes. Third level of inquiry is a guided inquiry. The objective of this inquiry is to design the method of investigation and then test question itself. In this level of inquiry, teacher provides only the question or problem with an unknown answer or solution to the learner. The learners have a responsibility of designing the method or procedure of investigation and following their own procedure to answer the question. Last and fourth level of inquiry is open or true inquiry. In this level, learners formulate their own research question and design and follow procedure of investigation, and after investigation communicate their results and findings with their peers. In open or true inquiry, a student has to do everything.